Okay, so now that we have Python and pip installed, we'll want to install a couple of libraries for them. The way we're going to do that is we're going to use pip. First, we'll open a terminal. If you haven't had to watch the last two videos, you'd hit Apple space to find Spotlight, and you type in terminal, hit enter, and you will have a terminal open. So now we want to be in our administrator account to do these, not in our local account. So I'm going to sudo pip install, and the first library I want to do is mcpy. And actually, I should be doing pip3 install because I have both Python versions on this computer. So I want to tell it to install for Python 3. I'm going to type in my password. It's downloading and it is installed. And then I'm going to just type up or hit up arrow. That'll get me that command back. I'm going to delete that last 4 things and type in Minecraft stuff. That's the second package I want to install. I'm going to hit enter, but it's going to tell me that's already installed on this computer. Oh, nope, it's not. So that is installed as well. So now we are all set to go. We have the libraries that we need in order to run our programs. And we should be all set to go. And in the next video, I'll be able to actually show you how to interact with these libraries to create a Python program that will edit things in your Minecraft world. And we'll just use our Python interpreter to do some basic things with that. And then I'll show you how to get a development environment set up. Okay,